Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a animal pill script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we just need to click over here. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Now copy this image from here, then paste it into your QB inventory. For that, open the QB inventory folder, HTML, images, then paste the image over here. Just like this. Now open this file over here. If you're using QBCore inventory, then you just need to copy this line of code from here, then paste it into your items.lua. For that, open the QBCore folder, shared, items.lua. Then come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste that line of code over here. Just like this. Now let's open the config.lua. Over here you can see this is the configuration of the script. If you're using QBCore framework, then keep it on QBCore. Or else you can see other frameworks which is over here. You just need to replace the QBCore with them. And these are the animal models. If you want to add any other model, you can do it from here. So I'll be keeping it default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn the item over here. So as you can see, this is the animal pill in our inventory. So let's use this item. And as you can see, I have become a pigeon over here. Just like this, you will become random animals. So now I have become a deer over here, as you can see. So let's use the pill one more time. So I have become a pigeon again. So as you can see, now I have become a cow. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.